In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up an account in Forex.com. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Forex.com. Then from here it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go down to open a new account by clicking right here. And then this page should be popping up where you can see a bunch of different accounts that you can create inside of Forex.com. As you can see over here, there's a raw spread, a standard account, a raw spread MetaTrader 5 account, and a MetaTrader account right here. Personally, I'll just use the MetaTrader 5 account right here, so let's create that. From here, you'll need to enter in your country of region of residence, your email address, a username, a password, a title, which is either Mr., Mrs., Miss, Mrs., or doctor. You'll also need to enter your first name and last name, your date of birth, and your primary phone number. You'll also need to enter in your base currency, which is either Euro, Pound, British Pounds, USD, or the last one down here. From here, you'll also need to click I agree that I want to be informed via email of news, products, and any other thing from Forex.com. And then click Save and Continue. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter in your home address, the city, the province, postal code, country and region, country of birth, town and city of birth, country tax residency, and the taxpayer identification. You'll also need to enter here if you are only tax resident in one country. And if you are, you'll need to click yes, and if you're not, you'll need to click no, and then add in how many countries that you'll have tax resident in. Once you have clicked in all that information, you'll simply need to click next, where you'll be taken over to the trading experience. And from here, once you have entered that, you will be finished and officially created and opened up an account inside of Forex.com. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!